Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a blinking PON light on your Converge internet modem and what it really means. The PON light normally stays solid green when your modem has a stable fiber connection. If it's blinking, that usually means the modem is trying to connect but isn't getting a proper signal. Taking some snippets from convergeict.com, let's take a look at some steps on how to fix this problem. First, check your fiber optic cable. Make sure the connector is clean, properly plugged into the modem, and not bent or damaged. A loose or dirty cable end is one of the most common causes. Next, restart your modem by unplugging it from power for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Wait a few minutes to see if the PON light turns solid. If the light is still blinking, inspect the fiber termination box. Sometimes the fiber line outside your home may have been cut, bent, or affected by maintenance. At this point, if the issue persists, it's usually on Converge's side. The blinking PON often indicates there's no signal coming from their network or an outage in your area. In this case, the best fix is to contact Converge support and report the problem so they can check your line remotely or send a technician. And that's how you troubleshoot a blinking PON light on Converge. Thanks for watching.